alright, I cut a lot, but I got ready for it, got a lot of stuff that I had to bring over there, and got a little distance as well. But alright, first thing first, I had to meet up with a friend, take train to go to Shinjuku station. I think it's gonna be a long journey, so it's kind of hard to film very well, but let me show you guys what Japan's top tier spot is like. Let's go!
何線だっけ？メモリーだからメモリー第一でしょ。メモリー。そう。商品紹介。かっけえ。さあお前徒競走見るから。坂本 TV です。ありましょう。いただきます。
All the way to Okutama City right now, and we are heading for what? It's like Hiyoshi. Oh shit! It's not Hiyoshi, but it's like Hikawa Camp Place, I guess. I got super excited.
전유다 키mer.
마지で涼しい。You know what? It's kind of chilly. We actually got 20 to get right now. Alright, let's go. 僕今動画撮ってるよ。気にしないで進んで。
おお、エグシュガー。エグシュガー。マジで。色変わったね。
When I first got here, it was totally like fucking narrow path, but right now we got this fucking beautiful scenery right here. Doska. Doska. 寒いですか？暑い。ガチで暑い。 あれなんだっけ、鍾乳洞。
鍾乳洞もうね、もう寒くて広くて中の階段急すぎて頭ぶつけかけて死にかけても最高です。
On our way back, Okutama Station, we stopped at some places to grab some stuff. There's a lot of like a steep path like this that fucking slow us down. It took actually 1.5 hours, I guess. But anyway, I don't give a shit because we made it right here. So let me give you guys a bit of a room tour real quick. Let's go. And this is 2 doors, and there's a glasses right here. Right here we got Fusuma. This super chilly out here, and there's a lot of people chilling and relaxing, kickbacking, but I don't care. Alright, I go this way, and we got bath right here. If I open this door, I knew it, bro. And we got this huge bed. I mean, 2 beds. There's everything that we need. So I know we got some beer and like some ramen type shit, right? So have fun with it and chill and relax. It's